Are you making a paper towel
Yep.
stitching bench?
Yep.
Okay, stop with the needle down. Now lift the foot. Reach back. Raise it all the way up. Turn the fabric. The fabric.
Oh.
Twist it. There you go. Now put the foot. Whoa, that's good. Put the foot back down. Right there. That's good. Put the foot back down. Put the foot back down. The foot in the back. There you go. Okay, now stitch again. There you go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? Other way, you was going right way. You got to get it lined up so you have some fabric to stitch. Put the foot down again.
Oops.
Gently now. Be gentle with it.
I have to do it this way?
Easy. What are you doing?
Oh, it's too hard. I have to do it like this.
Just gentle. Cool. What do you think?
I think this thing is really cool.